Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you're all doing well. My name is Anukriti Lamaniya and in today's video I'm going to show you guys 3 super easy and amazing summer braided hairstyles. So braids are also perfect for almost every occasion, whether you're in the office, at school, in the gym or even a wedding. There's a braided hairstyle that's ideal for you. But before we jump into the video, if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for every new video update and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So without wasting our time, let's quickly jump into the video. The first braid hairstyle which I'm going to show you guys is side French braid. To make this hairstyle, first start by parting the hair on the right side. Next, take a small section of hair and near the part line and divide it into 3 smaller pieces. Now begin making a French braid by crossing the right strand over the middle and then cross the left strand over the middle. Now cross the right strand over the middle, then pick up a new section of hair and cross it into the middle strand as well. Then cross the left strand over the middle and add a new section into the braid. Repeat those steps continuing the French braid, adding hair in from along the part line and from along the hairline. When all of the hair is brought in, continue the braid a little further and tie off the end of the braid with a clear elastic band. Then pull on the edges to make your braid look thicker and bigger. You can also take out some hair strands as well to make it look more pretty. So this side French braid is something of an old favorite of mine, and this is such a fun back to school hairstyle that is not only easy but super cute, guys. And yeah, do give this hairstyle a try. I definitely know that you guys will look super cute in this hairstyle. The second hairstyle which I'm going to show you guys is a single Dutch braid, which is also goes by name like reverse French braid. Now to make this braid, divide a section of your hair. Now split that section into 3 equal strands. First, cross the right strand under the middle strand, then cross the left strand under the middle strand. It is very important that you cross these 2 strands under instead of over. Now gather a thin strand of hair from the right side of your hairline and add it to the right strand. Cross them under the middle strand. Make sure that the added hair is going under the middle strand. Next, gather a thin strand of hair from the left side of your hairline and add it to the left strand. Then cross it under the middle strand. Finish off with a standard braid. You can also take out some hair strands to make it look more pretty and beautiful. And you can also loosen the outer strands of the braid to make it look fuller. So guys, the Dutch braid is done exactly like a French braid, except that you cross the strands under instead of over. So yeah guys, this is one of my favorite hairstyle currently. I really love doing this hairstyle. And this hairstyle is very simple, very easy to create, and it looks super cute. Now the third hairstyle is a regular fish braid. To create this braid, divide your hair into 2 even sections. Take a thin strand of hair from the right section, gather it from the outside, move it towards the left. Now again, take a thin strand from the left section, gather it from the outside of the section and make it towards the right section. Keep alternating sides until you reach the end of your hair. So try to use thinner strands the further down you go on your braid. This will help make your braid look more even. Your hair becomes naturally thinner towards the ends. So yeah guys, this fishtail braid looks so beautiful and pretty, especially if you have long hair like mine, and it turns out beautifully and it's great for an average day. And fishtail braids also tend to look better when they get a little messy. So this fishtail braid is very easy to create and looks amazing on long hair. So yeah guys, these are some of my favorite summer braided hairstyles. I hope you guys find this video super helpful and I hope you love this video. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please share this video with your friends and family. So if you guys create these hairstyles, do let me know how it turns out, and I know that you guys will look super cute in these hairstyles. And yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.